Derek, summer of 2025, that's when Kohberger's team believes that they'd be able to effectively battle this case before a jury, pushing back the potential closure for families and friends of these victims for another year.
He makes the allegation the state is trying to kill someone here, and frankly, I find that offensive.
In court today, the defense and prosecutors battling it out.
We are simply trying to fulfill our responsibilities under the law.
At stake, the potential start date for Brian Kohberger's murder trial, potentially beginning as soon as this summer. That timeline argued to be unrealistic by the defense.
I do not believe this is a 6-week trial. I believe this is more like a 12 to 15-week trial.
Taylor listing out a laundry list of items her team needed to accomplish to prepare for a case like this. Things like sifting through 51 terabytes of information, breaking down the interviews of more than 400 witnesses, and doing extensive background on Kohberger and his family.
Your Honor, summer of 2024, it's impossible for us to do it.
Prosecutor Bill Thompson echoed the concern of the magnitude of this workload.
Ms. Taylor is not understating the amount of work that's involved in this case, Judge. If we cannot have a trial this summer, then I would say the earliest would be the summer of next year.
The judge reiterated he only wants to have one trial, and for there to be no missteps that lead to this case being thrown out and having to start all over.
It's really hard for me right now to set something in 2025, even though that might be just the reality. My heart goes out to the victims. I can't even imagine the pain, the grief. I'm going to contemplate a little bit. Establish the way it was.
And the defense says that we can expect them to file a motion to vacate, meaning to move the trial out of Latah County. Prosecutor Bill Thompson says they owe it to Latah County to be able to seat a jury in Moscow and keep this case from moving. There's still no timeline as to when we could expect a decision from the judge, but we'll keep you updated right here and on KXLY.com. In studio, Jordan Smith, 4 News Now.